Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for any baking enthusiast or home cook looking to enhance their kitchen experience. We found the AMI Parts K45DH mixer repair set, which includes stainless steel accessories that are compatible with KitchenAid tilt head stand mixers. You can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the AMI Parts K45DH mixer repair set? This set comes with 3 essential attachments designed for 4.5-quart tilt head stand mixers. The package includes a K45DH anti-stick dough hook, K45WW wire whip, and a K45B anti-stick flat beater. These stainless steel accessories are built to last, featuring manufacturer-tested anti-stick nylon coatings that ensure long-term durability and ease of use. However, it's important to note that these attachments are specifically designed for tilt head models and will not fit bowl lift stand mixers. Now, let's break down the features of each attachment in this set. The K45WW wire whip is particularly noteworthy. With its 6-wire design, it incorporates air into your ingredients effectively, making it ideal for creating fluffy whipped cream, perfectly aerated frosting, and light, airy cakes. If you often find yourself whipping egg whites or preparing batters, this whip will become your best friend. Next up is the K45DH dough hook. This attachment is designed for mixing and kneading yeast dough with incredible efficiency. If you're a bread lover or enjoy making pizza from scratch, using this dough hook will save you significant time and effort compared to traditional hand kneading. It fits various models, including the K45, KSM100, KSM103, and more. Last but certainly not least is the K45B flat beater. This attachment is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from mashing potatoes and mixing cake batter to whipping up cookie dough. Its robust design ensures that you can handle even the thickest mixtures with ease. This flat beater also fits popular models like the K45SS and KSM75. So, who is this product suitable for? If you own a tilt head stand mixer, whether you're an avid baker or just starting to explore the world of home cooking, this set is a must-have. It's especially beneficial for those who frequently make dough, whip creams, or mix batters. Additionally, for anyone looking to replace worn-out accessories or upgrade their kitchen tools, this set offers a reliable solution. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're preparing a family dinner and decide to whip up some homemade garlic bread. The K45DH dough hook will make quick work of your bread dough, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the meal with your loved ones. Or perhaps you're hosting a birthday party and need to make a large batch of fluffy frosting for the cake. The K45WW wire whip will whip up that frosting in no time, ensuring it's light and creamy. Lastly, if you've got a craving for cookies, the K45B flat beater will help you mix your cookie dough quickly and thoroughly, so you can get those delicious treats into the oven faster. In conclusion, the AMI Parts K45DH mixer repair set is an excellent investment for anyone with a tilt head KitchenAid stand mixer. With its durable stainless steel construction and versatile attachments, you'll find yourself reaching for the set time and time again in your culinary adventures. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.